Is your 2016 Ram 1500's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. This is a common issue, often caused by faulty door or hood switches, a malfunctioning radio frequency hub, or a weak key fob battery. First, try the simplest fix. Replace the key fob battery. If that doesn't work, the next most likely culprit is a failing door or hood switch. These switches can send false signals, triggering the alarm. Time to move on to switch and RF hub diagnosis if those don't work. To diagnose the switches, you'll need a multimeter to check their continuity. A bad switch will need to be replaced. These are relatively inexpensive, costing $20 to $50. If the switches aren't the problem, the RF hub might be the issue. This requires a trip to the dealership for reprogramming, which can cost $100 to $300. In extreme cases, the BCM body control module, $500 to $800, might need replacing.